Hello students and welcome to DSS online classes. I am your computer teacher Nazim Naz. So children, now let's start your chapter. Same chapter, chapter 4, and chapter name is working of a computer. And this is a book exercise. And your question is multiple choice questions, means MCQ type questions. And pick the correct answer. Okay friends, now your first question is, this computer part does all the calculations, and your options are A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. CPU, D. Monitor. And your correct option is CPU. Because CPU is calculate the all parts. Okay? And your second question is, a set of commands given in computer language is called, and your options are A. Computer syntax, B. Computer program, C. Java, D. C++. And your correct option is computer program. Okay? And your third question is, this storage device is very popular and it looks like a keyring. And your options are A. CD, B. DVD, C. Pen drive, D. hard disk. And your correct option is C. Pen drive, because he is a very popular, okay, and he looks like a keyring. And your fourth question is, this storage device is fixed inside the CPU box, and your options are A. CD, B. DVD, C. Pen drive, D. hard disk. And your correct option is hard disk, because hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. Okay? And your fifth question is, this looks like a CD but has more capacity. And your answer is A. Pen drive, B. hard disk, C. DVD, D. none of these. And your correct answer is DVD, because DVD is better than CD. Okay? Okay students, I hope so all of you understand the multiple choice question. Now let's move to your next question, true and false. Okay friends, now your third question is true or false. Write T for true and F for false against the statement. Okay? This is a 7 line of true and false. And your first line is, a keyboard is used to hang key on it. It means a keyboard is used to hang keys on it. No, it's false. F for false. Okay? And your second line is, a computer can understand the English language. No, it's wrong. A computer understands the only computer language. Okay? And your third line is, a computer program is a set of instructions in computer language. It's true. True. C for true. A computer program is a set of instructions in computer language. Okay? And your fourth line is, a pen drive is fixed inside the CPU and you cannot see it. No, it's false. Again false. Because I see the CPU cabinet. Okay? And your fifth question is, when you save your computer work, it is first saved on the hard disk. Yes, it's true. Hard disk is our save work very fast. And your sixth line is, a CD has more capacity than a DVD. No, it's false. Because DVD is a more capacity device. Okay? And your seventh line is, a DVD drive can read both CD and DVDs. Yes, it's true. Okay? CD and DVD drive can read both CD and DVD. Okay? Okay, friends, I hope so all of you understand the true and false. Okay, friends, now I repeat again. A keyboard is used to hang keys on it. False. And second line is a computer can understand the English language. False. Third, a computer program is a set of instructions in computer language. Is true. Fourth line is a pen drive is fixed inside the CPU and you cannot see it. False. 5. When you save your computer works, it is first saved on the hard disk. Yes, it's true. And sixth line is a CD has more capacity than a DVD. False. 7. A DVD drive can read both CDs and DVDs. True. Okay? Okay, friends, I hope so all of you understand the true and false. Now let's move to your fill in the blanks.
Okay, students, now your third question is select the suitable words and fill in the blanks. Okay, this is a fill in the blanks. Okay, and these are your options: 100% program, hard disk, language, pen drive, and last commands. And your lines are only 6. And your first line is using the keyboard and mouse we enter the commands. Your correct option is commands. Okay? Using the keyboard and mouse we enter the commands. And your second line is a computer dash is used to communicate with the computer. And your correct option is language. Language is communicate the computer. A computer language is used to communicate with the computer. And your third line is a computer dash is the set of commands given to a computer in its language. A computer program, correct option is program. A computer program is the set of commands given to a computer in its language. Okay? And your fourth line is a computer gives you dash accurate result. And your correct option is 100%. Okay? A computer gives you 100% accurate results. Okay? And your first line is a dash is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. You cannot see it. It means hard disk. A hard disk is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. You cannot see it. Okay? And your last and sixth line is the dash is very small and is like a keyring. Your correct option is pen drive. The pen drive is very small and is like a keyring. Okay, friends? I hope so all of you understand the fill in the blanks, true and false, and multiple choice questions. Okay? And your chapter is almost complete. Your question answer and your book exercise. Okay, students, now we will meet our next video. Thank you, class.